Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So firstly I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what more visually similar to iOS, and maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom in the Settings. Enter into Accessibility, and we need to scroll down again and find Audio Adjustment, what also at this phone located at the bottom. Tap at this line, and right here we have Volume Balance. If you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, just move this dot to the left. And again, we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and then we need to also go to Accessibility, what located under the General Settings. So enter into Accessibility, and then we need to scroll down, and in the Hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, not this one, and then scroll down. And right here we have Volume Balance. If you have a problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left. Right now, if you have iOS 26, you need to only move. You cannot just tap at the best one place for you, but maybe they will fix that in the future. I have a previous version, I have iOS 18, so I can also move and tap. So what we do, we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And if you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. Now, if you have a problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, and we just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!